Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about and, or, and not conditions in SQL. You can see here I have just write a query here. So we use the and, or, and not conditions under where clause. So here first of all I just want to filter my data by product. Just type here product equal to, for example, desk. So here I just run the query. You can see here I have 3 rows here and it contains 2 columns. So now I just need the brown color and the desk and brown color. On that case I have to use the and function. So after desk I just type here and product color equal to brown. So here the result will be the product desk with brown color. Yes. So now I need 2 products. So in that case I have to use the or function. So I just come here to pull out 2 products. I just clean this. So I need the desk and also I need the chair. So in that case I use the or function, or product equal to chair. So I just run the query. You can see here we have the desk and also we have the chair here. So now I just want to use the not condition here. So I just clean this. I just type here not product equal to fan and not product equal to desk and not product equal to couch, and run. You can see here I have the products except these 3: fan, desk and couch. You can see here. And now I want to combine and or function, and you can see the result. So I just clean this, and here I just type here product equal to desk and product color equal to brown, or product equal to chair. And when I run this query, the result will be the chair or the desk with brown color. So I just run the query. You can see here I have desk and the color is brown, and I have the chair here. So that's it about these conditions. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.